Looking for a hassle-free way to upgrade your truck's towing system? The Hopkins Multi-Tow Wiring Harness is designed to make your towing experience smoother, especially if you drive a GM truck from 1999 to 2002. This harness lets you retrofit your vehicle to use the GMOE plug connector, so you can connect trailers without the usual wiring headaches. I recently installed this harness on my 2017 Tacoma, pairing it with a compatible wiring kit I found online. The installation was straightforward. The harness splices right onto your vehicle's wiring system, making it a universal fit that works across multiple tow setups. It's impressive how this simple addition expanded my truck's towing capabilities without complicated rewiring or expensive upgrades. Plus, Hopkins is a trusted name in towing solutions, known for innovation and value, with over 40% of their sales coming from products just like this. If you're ready to streamline your towing setup, this Hopkins Multi-Tow Wiring Harness is worth a look. It's easy to install, fits a wide range of vehicles, and lets you connect trailers with confidence. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your towing experience without the stress.